Beautiful Appalachian Log Home on level to rolling wooded acreage on top of South Fork Mountain affords tremendous privacy. 2 tracts make up this 10.56 acres, allowing another building site for your buddy or family members. Huge wood stove sits on beautiful stone hearth. Tile to match the stone conveys with sail to be laid in kitchen area and bathroom. Electric not far away and can be brought to property. Cistern for water supply already installed in ground, as well as the septic has been installed. Hunter Douglas blinds, hardwood flooring, large dining table and hutch make you want to light the wood stove and hunker down for the weekend. Rustic but very sturdy stairs lead to loft with twin beds and plenty of space that overlooks the great room. Master bedroom and bath on main floor. This area is fantastic place to ATV, hike or mountain bike.